Friends, in this video, I'd like to demonstrate how to utilize one different way to elevate our privilege. I've already made the video with this machine. The video will be added into the description section below. In this video, I'd like to do the privilege escalation with a different way. And I think the major part of this video is to show you how to use the Msfvenom, how to get the help of the Msfvenom, how to choose appropriate payload, and how to know which kind of options are required to configure. So there will be a lot to take. So without further ado, let's just get started. And we can go into the Kali Linux VM. I will assume that we have already got the initial for the hold on the target. And the username should be this one. Yeah, we can utilize the LFI vulnerability to get the, sorry, what I'm doing, and computer. Yeah, we are logged in as W1R3S. Next, we need to elevate our privilege. And in the earlier video, I already showed you the NumPy shell script can give us several local exploits. And just I mentioned in the other videos, if the local exploits, several local exploits available on the target, before we try to exploit the exploits vulnerability manually, we can try to use the Metasploit. If this way or Metasploit cannot work, then we can switch back to the local exploits. Okay, so let me show you. We can go to the temp directory. Yeah, as you can see, first of all, we need to, please ignore this file. First of all, we need to generate the payload. And this payload should be uploaded to the target. And the utility I'd like to use, very important too, is Msfvenom. Of course, as you know, Msfvenom can support so many payloads. As you can see, if I press enter, I always use this, this way or this methodology to utilize the Metasploit and its corresponding utility or related utility, Msfvenom. As you can see, so many. And as you know, our objective here is to get a Metasploit session. So we can use the grep. And also, as we know that the target is Linux, so we can use this command to narrow down the available or appropriate payloads. Okay, so this time it's much clearer. And also we know that the target, the architecture is 64. So we can use this one, Metasploit. Yeah, this one we can copy, and then we can use Msfvenom with option of P to specify the payload. And however, another question will come up in your mind. Which options are required to configure? And you need to get some help. Of course, you can use Google to make some search. However, the utility itself can give us very useful instruction. For example, we can use list options. Of course, if you don't know about this one, we can open another tab and Msfvenom help. As you can see, list options. This one will list the advanced, the basic, standard, advanced, and invasion options. Okay, it's very clear. Sorry, we can copy this one. We can copy. Okay, now we can press enter. Invalid operation. Sorry about that. I need to remove the double dash. As you can see here, can give us the required options to configure, to make this command to work properly. As you can see, give us the payload information, the module name, the platform, and also architecture, and provided by this guy, and also the basic options, advanced options. In many cases, we just what we have to configure are basic options. Okay, so it's clear, right? I think I've already explained clearly, and so we just want to set up the local host, and we can use the also similarly we can know which kind of format can be supported by Msfvenom, and we can call it prev elf. Msfvenom is so important. So this is the reason I'd like to record this special video for you guys. Okay. So next we need to upload this payload to the target, and we can set up the web server by Python. Now we go back to the target shell. We can use wget. No problem. We need to make it executable. And before we run this payload, we need to set up the, so where we need to set up the, I need to navigate to our working directory. We can launch our Metasploit console. Yeah, I use a Q option or argument, so there would be no verbose information like banners, so will be started quietly, and we can use exploit multi-handler. We need to set a payload. Of course, we have to use the same payload. Okay, so yeah, this one. All right, Linux x64 Metasploit reverse TCP, and we need to set your options. Set the local host to our Kali Linux. Set port number. So which port number? I forgot. So which one? It's just so imbalancing. So which? Okay, here, 888. I felt relieved. And then we can run. And now we can run this payload on the target. And then we can get the Metasploit session. And then the Metasploit session, we can utilize the Metasploit session to do more. First of all, we need to background this current session. And we can search suggester. And we can use this post exploitation module. And we can show options. We can set the session number to 1 and then run. So this module will try to emulate all available local exploits. As you can see, it's collecting local exploits for the target. Next, this module will try to check to see whether the discovered exploit is workable or is possibly workable. Yeah, running check for discovered exploits. Yeah, the first result has already prompted. Yeah, I'd like to use this one because this one is vulnerable. We can copy this module name. Next, we can use this module to elevate a privilege. It should be working without a problem. Okay, and then we can use this module and show options again. Show options. We can set localhost to our Kali Linux. Set local port number to different port number 999. Set a session number to 1. Just run it. The target is vulnerable and it's a sending stage to the target. Yeah, Metasploit session 2 opened. This session should belong to root user. For example, we can run get UID. Yeah, we are root. If you want to get command shell session, you can run and get to the root directory. We can cut out the root flag. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to showcase in this video, as I mentioned. The major part of this video is to show you how to get the help or instruction from the utility itself. I'm talking about the Msfvenom, Okay, so see you in the next time. Bye. Have a nice day.